Hey guys, welcome back to DS Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the text to speech conversion using Python. So let's talk about the text to speech conversion. It is a process to convert a text or string into natural voice output. You can use this feature in our application or any project. So for this purpose, we have to install some library that is supported by the Python. So for this purpose, let's install the library first. So open your command prompt and type pip install pydd ttfx3. You can see my requirement is already satisfied. So the next library is pip install py win32. So in this way you can install both of the library, that is the puttext and the py-win32. So let's talk about the implementation part. So first open your text editor. Here I am using Python. You can use any text editor. First of all, we have to import our library, that is the puttext. So let's import it. Import puttext. Now we have to initialize and insert so that we can use the puttext library for the operation. So let's anything you can provide here. Puttext.initialize. The next one is set. This is a method provided by the puttext through which you can provide here or you can pass here any text or the message which you want to hear as a sound. So I am going to pass here hello world. I am David and engine not run and wait. Let's run our code.
Hello world, I am David.
So as you can see, this is the by default voice which provided by the puttext property. If you want to change the voices, you can do with the help of the puttext library. Puttext library provides two methods, that is the set property and get property. The get property provides all the information about the voices supported by the operating system, and the set property helps us to change the voices through their ID. So let's talk about. So I am going to comment this now. So I am going to use the voice property. So voice is equal to engine dot get property, and here we can pass voices. Now we can use a for loop for voice voices. We can use for loop to print or see all the voices supported by the operating system. Also we can see the different property like ID, name, gender or anything. So let's print. First of all I want to print the ID. So ID equal to percentages, then voice dot ID. Sorry, not percentages, percentage only. Now I want to print name. So print name percentages voice dot name. Now if you want to see the gender, we can simply print gender percentage voice dot gender. So let's run our code and see all the property provided by the puttext library. So as you can see here, there is a two voices supported by this operating system. You can see here two ID 1 and 2. You can see here the ID, this one is ID and name is Microsoft Azure Desktop and gender is none. ID is this and name is Microsoft Jira Desktop. You can see here there is two different voices. You can differentiate by the name, that is Hazel and Jira. So I am going to use both of the language one by one. So for this I am going to comment out this. Now we can use simply by the set property. So engine dot set property. Now where we have to pass the ID. So first of all voice, we are going to change the voices. So voice, now ID of the voices. So voices, we are going to use the first ID. So we are going to pass the index 0 then dot ID. Let's run the code.
Hello world, I am David.
So you can see, let's change the ID and see the difference in the output. So I am going to use the second one.
Hello world, I am David.
Yeah, you can see the difference between the both of the voices. So in this way you can implement text to speech. If you have any query, feel free to comment. I will try to reply your comment. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.